it's rare that we get something in the house that all of us fight over. My wife, my daughter, and my son. And I'm fighting over this one too. This is a beautiful, just a really, really handy total backpack, travel bag, laptop bag. It looks like a backpack, but it actually is a little bit deceiving because it has a lot of extra pockets and a lot of extra features. Let me tell you all about it. So first of all, it is plenty big. It's about 17.5 this way. It's about 12 inches this way. It is a standard backpack size. The material itself is kind of a nice, smooth, kind of a black, polyester material. Water will kind of bounce off it. It's not waterproof, but you will see drops kind of bead up on it and come off. There is an apricot version. It's kind of a lighter color, kind of a tan. This is the black version. I like the black a little better. I think it stands out a little more. I think it's kind of a flashier. The black actually has gold accents here, and you also have these little brown tags, which just really kind of sets it off. It's got a ton of pockets, and the thing to remember, this thing can hold a big laptop. It can hold a 15.6 inch laptop in here very easily. You can see as well, it does have different colors. The interior is actually kind of a nice dark tan. It looks nice. Let me kind of go around the outside and just show you all the pockets. So first things first, it does have a hook for hanging it up as well. You have 2 shoulder straps, which are adjustable. And then you have this little strap back here, which is really pretty clever. This strap is for when you have luggage. You're going traveling and you have like a handle for your luggage. You slide it on there and it will stay onto your suitcase or your luggage. So that's handy. Not a lot of backpacks have that. And you may have noticed there's even a little hidden compartment back here, a hidden zipper. You open that up and you can go ahead and have things in there. We're going to be going to the city soon, and we're going to probably keep travel documents kind of hidden way in the back there, and you just kind of zip it up, and so when you put it on your back, you really can't, nobody else can get to it. It kind of holds it against your back, so it's kind of a protection feature. Let's talk about the sides. You do have, on the sides, you do have a pocket on the side here. This is for a small water bottle, and this is also for a small water bottle over here, but a regular 12-inch water bottle or 12-ounce water bottle will fit in there. You do also have the zippers on both sides, as you can see, gold there and gold there as well. So it's double zippered. It does zipper up to the center if you wish to. Let me go ahead and do that. So it does zipper up totally out to the center if you wish to do that as well. There we go. Now, on the front, yes, you have even more pockets. You got another pocket here in the lower front. You have another pocket here in the upper front, again, and then you have a third pocket here on the upper front. You open that up, and guess what? You've got another interior pocket in here, and you have some little dividers in here for things like calculators, phones, other things in here. You can put papers, you can put folders. So this is an outside pocket. So in theory, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets just on the outside, and I also, not including the 2 water bottles, I have about 8 pockets just on the outside. That's before I actually open the interior itself, the real interior of the bag. I want to show you this as well. Sure enough, check this out. There we go. We have a leather strap for putting in a laptop. You can put laptops in there. This is padded, by the way. There's padding here and there's padding here. So if you have maybe a laptop and then like a drawing board or a Waco board, you can put that in there, put another one in there, and then you can go ahead and strap it down and kind of keep it all straight against the back. So you have 2 more pockets in here, and then, sure enough, on the interior, again, you can see the color. The color is actually very nice. It's a light tan. You do have a netted pocket, which is also zippered up there. And you have another interior pocket right here, which is also zippered. That's kind of goes halfway down, and the netted one goes all the way down. So you have a lot of pockets and a lot of space in this thing itself. Now, the other nice thing about this is it's fashionable. It looks good. It feels good. It's a very smooth material. Oops, there goes a silicone packet. It's a very smooth material. We haven't really taken it very far. My daughter did take it to school once. She just kind of put a couple things in it, and she kind of just walked around. It wasn't actually a school day. She had a testing day, so she just kind of put stuff in it, and she loved it. She said it was very comfortable. She really enjoyed it, and I brought it back. I want to go ahead and just kind of tell you guys all about it before it got to before she started using it. But she's probably going to end up using this. She really loves it. It's a wonderful bag with lots of different uses. It's great for day trips. It's great for school. It's great for a long-term travel. It's a good vacation one. It'd be perfect on an airplane. You could fill this thing up with all sorts of stuff. That's all you really need on an airplane. You have so many pockets, so many things to go through. It just is a really good travel bag. It looks good. It's comfortable. It's stylish, and I highly recommend it.